Hello and welcome to the first of our 3 lectures on Australia. So as you may have guessed, I haven't had time yet to record the lecture, so I'll be doing that tomorrow, and I thought that in the meantime it would be useful for you to have this very basic version of the video because you are going to need some of the information it contains to talk about the graph that you're going to have to analyze this week, and also if you're giving the presentation in 2 weeks time, then you need the information on the environment in Australia. Right, so today I'm talking about geography and history, and I'll try to link those 2 fields with current issues, including environmental issues. Right. So first I wanted to say a few words about tourism. So you've watched the introductory video from Tourism Australia, the advertisement, and you've also probably watched me trying to shoot a video at Circular Quay, which is the area close to the Sydney Opera House. And you saw that quite a lot of people were there. So just to give you some data, so tourism, you've got about 7.4 million international visitors who came to Australia in 2016, and as you can see here, this is an increase. And what is of course very interesting for the Australian government is that they spend a lot of money, about $40 billion in Australia. So tourism is something that is actively promoted by the different government agencies linked to tourism in Australia. Just wanted to show you this though. If you have a look at the pie chart here, you see that the people who are spending the most money in Australia are its neighbours. China, Japan, Korea, and to a lesser extent the United States. But you don't have France, for instance, being the first, or etc. And this, of course, is in part it's not only because of that, but it's in part due to the distance. So what I'm going to try and do today is to go beyond the postcard picture of Australia, that of a paradise, etc., and to show you some of the issues the country has to face today. Right, so to get back to distance, there are about 15,000 kilometers between France and Australia. So that's quite a lot. It takes about 24 hours, more than 24 hours to reach Australia from Bordeaux. Another of the geographic specificities of the country is its sheer size. So it's the biggest island continent in the world, and you can see there that a good part of Europe fits in Australia, and there's still some room left. So this is a postcard to show how big Australia is.